Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? We have more than just a drain issue, bro. Oh, look at that. That was stopping it. We didn't even have a drain issue. Fucking kidding me. You got a contactor that, I mean, it still works, but occasionally it'll get stuck because it's so pitted. So we're gonna swap this out because vendor came out here 4 times for me when I didn't have time to do it, and he changed this, changed that, and he didn't change the damn contactor, bro. Like, bruh. So yeah, let's swap this thing out. All right, let's see what happens. Some lights that were out already. There you go. Clean start. So there you go. That was just a bad contactor, guys. Easy. Easy. On to the next. For these, well, that one leaking downstairs, same thing, 2 in a day. You start to see a pattern with this shit, but yeah, this thing working like a fucking beast. No leak, nothing, no flashing. We here, baby.
Did you get a chance to look at the that website?
Which one?
Come on.
X videos.
$100 to drink it.
Hell no. You gotta give me like 15 million.